Hi everyone, today is August 29, 2022. It is 6 p.m. and 27 degrees Celsius. We are here at Yonge Street and Bloor Street, and I'm going to be walking west on Bloor Street. As you can see, they're doing a lot of construction here. It's like very noisy at the moment. So at the northwest corner, they're doing this work here, and at the southwest corner, they're building 1 Bloor Street West. And of course, this is 2 Bloor Street West. Today is a Monday, and I hope that everyone is having a great start to their week. And I hope that you guys all have had a refreshing and enjoyable weekend. Here's Mew Mew, and this is part of the Holt Renfrew store on Bloor Street. This area is known as the Mink Mile, which starts at Yonge and Bloor and goes west on Bloor all the way to Avenue Road. And here's Saint Laurent. So they got a lot of women's shoes and handbags in there. Here's a lifting machine in the middle of the sidewalk. Kind of unusual to see, but there it is. And we're now here at Bloor Street and Bay Street. We look north on Bay Street. There's the 19 bus. And that's the Bay bus. It goes up and down Bay Street. As you look south on Bay Street. There's Hakeem Optical at the corner. And that store used to be a David's shoe store. And they've got all kinds of glasses. So they've got everything from sunglasses to reading glasses. And all different kinds of brands. There's Cumberland Terrace across the street. And we're now here at Cumberland Street. And we're now walking west on Cumberland Street. of my favorite buildings in Yorkville is this one here. It's 88 Cumberland. Let me unlock my camera. This is what it looks like. I really like the design. It's very unique, and I think what I like about it the most is that it's relatively brand new. And so I like the idea of something being built brand new, that where you can be the first owner and you get to enjoy the newness stage of it. This one more so because it's in such a great area. It's right in the middle of, well, not in the middle of, it's right inside of, I should say, Yorkville. Feels a bit quiet in Yorkville today, but then again, it is a Monday. Yesterday it was pretty busy, but yesterday was the last day of the Yorkville mural event. Sure. So. And let's cross over here, and we're going to walk north on Old York Lane, which is this pathway here. There's all these kinds of advertisements for luxury products and whatnot. There's different kinds of stores. And here's some more ads. And lots of ads on this side of the northern side of Old York Lane. And we're now walking east on Yorkville Avenue. And they're doing quite a bit of construction work here. And they're also doing some construction here at 101 Yorkville. And here's the Tagliatella Galleries. There's the giant keyhole that was present here on this other side of the gallery near the Christian Louboutin store. It is now in the gallery, so I'm guessing it is a work of art in its own right. That's pretty cool.
She was thinking.
walked for like hours.
You can see them.
Looks like the patio is holding steady. Usually Monday evenings tends to be pretty steady. They're on the quiet side. We're now here at Bel Air Street and Cumberland Street. I'm gonna head west on Cumberland Street, and I think I'm gonna call it a day soon and wrap this video up. So I've been thinking about getting an e-bike versus an e-scooter, and I think that the e-bike could be potentially better for my needs. One of the things I was thinking about as well is that if there's a failure in both, whether one's using e-bike or an e-scooter, with the e-bike, one can at least pedal and use that to continue traveling. But with an e-scooter, you know, if you're going uphill or if you got some hilly terrain or a very long distance to go, then I don't think that pedaling is going to be in the question.
Hey, we don't need them. Hey, we don't need them.
I really like ending these videos at a waterfall, and there's a waterfall nearby here at the end of Cumberland Street to the west. And so I hope that the waterfall is running at this time. Last time it was not running, and so from the distance here, it looks like it's also not running today as well. It may not be running as well. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's running. Maybe I'll end this one at the Park Hyatt Hotel instead then. There's where the waterfall was supposed to be. Looks like they've got some orange fencing set up around it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.